Alright, so welcome back. In this video we're going to learn more about tracking inside Davinci Fusion. So first of all you have to import this new video, which is available for you to download in the course section where I put all the media. And now let's make this video shorter, because I won't use all of it. I mean, just this part. I will go here, I will generate some proxy media. So generate proxy media. It will take 5 seconds and then we will jump right into the Fusion tab, where I'm going to teach you how to track an object. So let's get into the Fusion tab, and here we have our video. Now, in order to track your object, you have to use the tracker tool. So press on Shift space and then search for track. Then you have your tracker. So hit enter and it should appear. Tracker. Now it's here, and what you will see is that this box will appear on your screen. What you want to do is go here at this point. So if I zoom in, you'll see this point. So you have to go here and click on it and drag it where you want to track your video. Now I will track this man by his ear. And what you can do is take this square, so from the edge, and place it around his head as a point of reference. So if the tracker gets lost, it will get back to this man's head. Now, what you want to do after you place your tracker is go here and click on track forward and leave Davinci track this. It should not take too long. So as you can see, Davinci is tracking his ear and is doing a pretty good job. And now we've got the movement of this tracker. So if we play everything again, we have this movement of the tracker. Alright. Now, after I have this trackment movement, what I can do is add some text, and because I have this tracker, it works, it's an effect, but it also works, as a merging cell. So you don't need a merge cell in order to connect this text to this. You can simply connect the text to the tracker itself. Then go into the tracker operations and choose match movement. And foreground over background. Then go here to text and type in something. I will type in hello and take the text and place it this way. If I start my video once again, I will see that this text moves alongside with the tracking. So it should, yeah, it moves alongside with the tracking. And this works for pretty much anything. Right, so that's it pretty much with tracking options. Now also you can add effects to this text. For example, if you want to blur it this way, as you can see, or you could simply transform it. So something like this. Change its size and do any kind of stuff you want with it. So that's it pretty much for this video. I hope you have learned something new out of it, and see you in the next one, where we're going to work a little bit more with 3D objects. See you there.